सर आपके लिए पार्सल है।
किसका है?
आपका।
अबे ढक्कन, मेरा मतलब भेजा किसने?
किसी गौरव सेन गुप्ता का है।
यहाँ रख दो।
Vinay Murthy, my dear Vinay Murthy. A weird start like this could only come from a weird person like me. I find myself doing seemingly the most unlikely of things. And if I am saying that, it sounds even more frightening. I'm sure you'd have heard many stories about me by now. Stories with different versions. But this time around, I have my own story to tell. तू हमेशा कहा करता था ना, history belongs to the dreamer. Here I am, attempting to create my own little history, living my own small dream. I have finally made my film. A film on myself. All the footage of the past that I have shot from my handycam, I want you to piece them together in the manner that I have mentioned in my screenplay and a rough storyboard. Now, good films have good music. So I want you to use music from my CDs as background score. I have marked them for you. Remember the shopping mall incident that you slyly recorded, Swine? I want you to include that in the film. For that, you can mention your name as additional cinematographer in the credits. And for Pete's sake, don't screw up the film, bhai. ख्याल रखना यार फिल्म का. Actually, I trust you. Actually, you're the only one I trust. Take care. All the best. P.S. One more thing. I thought a lot about the title, but I think you would know better. I leave the onus of the title on you. Life. Action. Life. What is it about life that I say would make any difference to yours or mine? You'll still choose to live it your way and I'll still choose to live it mine. The start is just not working.
Ladies and gentlemen, please await with bated breath the next big sensation. Writer, director, actor, and cinematographer, Gaurav Sen Gupta. And in a never seen, never heard before role, Frisky the Fish.
always thought I was capable of a lot. But then the start was always a problem. I never knew how to begin. If someone asked me to independently construct a building, I would be capable of doing it. Just that I wouldn't know where to place the first brick. And so the building would never happen. As I told you, there was always a problem with the start.
Chal, theek ache. Now just sit down and have your tea. It's getting cold.
Are you listening to what I'm saying? No. When it concerns your son, you're absolutely deaf.
I'm listening.
I give him all the freedom he deserves.
Ah, yes.
He just doesn't respect my feelings. I don't understand. Am I going wrong somewhere?
Arindam, everything is all right. Now just sit down. Huh?
Maybe Bijon is right after all.
What?
I don't play this jail warden business. But he says that I must monitor Gaurav's life and decide what he wants to do. Well, fine. By the way, where's this one and only great son of yours?
He's been working late. Let him sleep. Huh?
Oh, I'm sorry. The wrong question. Helping George Bush and the Iraq problem, right?
He has other problems.
That dude, Arindam Kumar Sen Gupta, that Shaolin monk, the most disciplined man on planet Earth, wakes up at 5 a.m. every morning, even if he slept at 4:59 a.m. Why? Tai Chi. He's an 8th Dan Tai Chi expert. That's Ma. Oh, you just missed her. Ma's like most mothers are, sweet and dependable. That's Aanchal Tolani, my then current girlfriend. I started seeing her because she showed immense interest in me and she was every college guy's desire. And to top it all, her father was a renowned producer-director.
Because you want to narrate your so-called brilliant script to him.
Yeah.
And then when he takes out time from his busy schedule, you can't be found.
My script is almost ready.
Why didn't you tell me? Oh God, this is such good news actually. I mean, I should call Papa right now and we should fix up something.
I still have to fine-tune my script a bit.
So, how about 11 o'clock tomorrow? You can just pass by and see him maybe. Yeah, that would be nice. What are you doing? This thing is on. The stupid damn thing is always on. Don't do this.
I was heading back home fully charged to get back to my script. But when I reached home, I was taken by surprise. My house was unusually lit up. I prepared myself for an unexpected reception.
Gaurav!
Hey, Kumar, Gaurav! Hey,
Come here.
man, what's up?
Come and meet two
Yeah,
of
I've
my
heard a lot about you,
best
man.
friends. Come here.
Kumar, Gaurav.
Mr. Bose, Mr. Kamath.
How are you, son?
Hi, Kamath. How are you? Nice meeting you.
What's your class?
Anyway, Gaurav, what are you planning now? What's your program? Where are you going further for studies?
It's all right.
I plan to go to the LA Film School or NYU.
Film school?
Film school? How interesting.
Listen, the day I think of winding up my business of diamond export, I would love to join.
Yeah, because that's because of the women.
Just remember me, call on me. Your uncle is there for you, anytime.
I think I'll take your leave. Good night.
Okay, good night. Nice meeting you. Bye.
Good night.
Take care.
So what was that all about outside? Huh? Embarrassing me in front of everyone like that. Who the hell do you think you are? People your age are a lot more focused than what you are, yes. They know what they want. Let me tell you a simple secret, young man. You want to achieve anything in life, you've got to have discipline, which you don't have. Your mother still has to make your bed for you. You can't even make a damn cup of tea for yourself. Have you read the application forms that your Bijon Kaku got you? I don't think so. You don't even have basic courtesy. And all you do is walk around with that half-moronic look of yours with that silly contraption in your hand. You think you can become a Gurudutt or a Spielberg just by fantasizing? if you think that I don't make much sense, but don't flatter yourself. I think you, no? If you think I don't make much sense, then I think you should learn to fend for yourself outside. You might finally wake up.
अच्छा सिनेमा देखा करो भाई। और क्या है? आओ 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 भाई आओ आओ। आंचल कीप सेइंग अबाउट यू। अरे भाई खड़े क्यों हो? बैठो 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 गणेश। क्या लोगे?
नहीं सर,
चाय कॉफी ठंडा? ठंडा चलेगा, ठंडा चलेगा। एक ठंडा लाओ। गणेश
सर।
व्हाट गणेश?
सर गौरव सेनगुप्ता।
गौरव
सर।
फिर मैं तुम्हें गणेश क्यों बुला रहा हूँ? सो आई एम वेरी बैड विथ नेम्स।
ओके।
गौरव सेनगुप्ता
सर।
बंगाली?
या।
रविन्द्रनाथ टैगोर? दुर्गा पूजा? रिच कल्चर। हाँ, गुड बॉय गुड बॉय। हाँ, गुड बॉय।
बिपाशा बासु, रानी मुखर्जी।
हाँ, वैसा दिखना है तुम्हें, समझी? मीट हर। शी इज मोना।
हाय मोना।
मोना डार्लिंग, यहाँ बैठो, प्रोड्यूसर से दूर नहीं बैठते।
किशन जी सुनैना।
अरे मगर लॉन्च में तो तुम्हारा नाम मोना ही है ना? आई एम नोन फॉर कीपिंग माय हीरोइंस नेम विद एम।
ओके।
एनीवे गणेश, आंचल बता रही थी तुमने कोई बहुत अच्छी स्क्रिप्ट लिखी है।
जी सर, in fact
व्हाट द स्टोरी?
Sir, I've got a bound script. Yeah.
Quickly hear the narration.
Yes sir. Thanks a lot.
सुनाओ।
Yes sir.
हाँ, शुरू करो।
जी सर। So the name of the script I thought tentatively sir is Second Chance, and the story is about an actress who is already very successful when we begin the movie.
खिड़की बंद करो। साहब ने जीना हराम कर रखा है।
Sorry, no problem sir.
So एक मिनट, वो एसी कौन ऑन करेगा? ओके सर। बोलो। हाँ बोलो। जी सर बोलो।
हाँ। So sir, Second Chance, like what happens is this heroine in the first scene, our actress is sitting in the room and there's this director who enters and he tells her that
फोन आपके लिए फोन।
हेलो मुकेश जी, 100 साल जिएंगे आप। आप भी के बारे में सोच रहा था जी। हो जाएगा, समझ लीजिए हो गया, विल बी डन। बस आपके आशीर्वाद से सब ठीक चल रहा है। जी 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 जी। हाँ 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 ओके। मुकेश तोलानी जी
sir.
बहुत बड़े प्रोड्यूसर हैं, बिग प्रोड्यूसर।
So anyway sir, so this actress is sitting in the room and the director comes and he tells her कि आज आप you haven't come for the shoot today, and the whole unit was waiting for you all day. So she says कि I have.
Kishan ji, isn't this similar to the English movie we saw that day? What's
Okay.
the name of the
Anyway,
movie?
so what happens is she's sitting in the room and the director comes and tells her कि आप नहीं आए आज, and they have a conflict. And she says कि आप कुछ भी कर लो, I can make it.
सर मलिका मैडम का फोन है।
हाँ 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 हाँ, कहिए, आपकी फिल्म तो हिट हो गई। अजी मेरा क्या है उसमें? यौवन द जिस्म। सब कुछ आप ही का है। सिल्वर जुबली मुबारक हो भाई।
This was just the beginning.
जय माता दी।
सर भाभी जी पूछ रही है चाबी कहाँ है?
बोलो घनश्याम।
Can you tell me about the character of the heroine in detail?
घनश्याम बोलो। हेलो।
Are you Aquarius?
ओहो, यू आर नॉट टेकिंग केयर ऑफ।
So I'm taking, but I
बट
want.
क्या बट क्या?
Yes, sir. But yeah.
And that's the end of the film.
बेटा कहानी तो बहुत अच्छी है, लेकिन इट्स नॉट फिट फॉर कमर्शियल फिल्म्स। मेरा कहने का मतलब है इसमें कोई सुपर हिट सॉन्ग सिचुएशन नहीं है, और ऑडियंस को आज स्ट्रॉन्ग इमोशंस चाहिए, रोमांस चाहिए, एक्शन चाहिए। नंबर 1 शैतान, द डेंजरस बीस्ट।
I couldn't possibly accept this failure. A failure at something I thrived on.
मोना फिट हो।
This feeling initiated an immediate action where I turned to say something. Sir, I have a script I had written a few months back. और मुझे पूरा कॉन्फिडेंस है कि जो जो आपको अपनी फिल्म में चाहिए वो सब इसमें है सर।
अरे तो फिर देरी किस बात की है? कल ही सुनाओ मुझे। मैं अपनी फिल्म दिवाली के आसपास लॉन्च करता हूँ। आई एम नोन फॉर इट। और दिवाली नेक्स्ट वीक है भाई।
सर तो कल कितने बजे सर?
किसी वक्त मुझे एक फोन कर लेना मोबाइल पे। रुको रुको रुको, वैसे स्टोरी की वन लाइन क्या है?
This is a historic love saga of two lovers, Raj and Pooja.
तो अंग्रेज की औलाद, अगर हिंदी में बोलेगा तो तेरा कुछ जाएगा?
ये है दो प्यार करने वालों की ऐतिहासिक प्रेम गाथा।
Nice, very nice. Keep going, buddy.
राज एक गरीब क्लर्क का लड़का और पूजा एक अमीर बिजनेसमैन की लड़की।
Poor boy, rich girl. I see. So fucking original.
पहली नजर में दोनों को प्यार हो जाता है, पहले टकरार फिर इकरार
और फाइनली हो जाता है प्यार।
And lots of sex, of course.
करेक्ट।
Guys, I think it's time for a song.
I think it's high time for कहानी में twist.
Guys, let's make the guy impotent.
Hey, you're mad or it's a fucking Hindi film? और तू क्या लिख रहा है यार?
रिलैक्स गाइस, कहानी में ट्विस्ट के साथ भांगड़ा भी है।
अच्छा।
हाँ? Here we come to the mind-blowing twist in the story. जब पूजा के डैडी धनराज सेठ को पता चलता है कि राज उसी रामू काका का लड़का है जिसने 25 साल पहले उनकी होने वाली बीवी लाजवंती का बेदर्दी से रेप किया था।
और
Keep going.
अब लड़का खून से खत लिखता है, लड़की आंसुओं से। ये रिकॉर्ड इतना प्लीज।
नहीं यार, come on.
कमिंग, ट्रस्ट मी प्लीज यार, इट विल हेल्प, यू विल हैव अ ब्लास्ट ना। हाँ, लड़का खून से खत लिखता है, लड़की अपने आंसुओं से। धनराज सेठ गुंडे भेजता है, लड़का पहले पिटता है और फिर सबकी फाड़ देता है। स्लो मोशन में सबकी माँ बहन एक करता है। जब रामू काका को इस बात का पता चलता है तो वो धनराज सेठ के घर पहुंचता है। वहां पे वो धनराज सेठ को 3 पेज के फाड़ू डायलॉग देता है। तभी धनराज सेठ की बीवी, हु इज रामू काका's 25-year-old inflicted rape victim लाजवंती, she enters the room. दोनों की नजरें मिलती हैं। दूर किसी मंदिर में 5000 घंटियां बजती हैं। मामला पेचीदा होता चला जाता है।
बस कर मेरे दोस्त, बस कर, कहीं हम लोग ऑस्कर ना जीत जाएं।
Can we please come to the climax? I can't take this shit anymore.
Here we come to the climax, the historic climax of the film. जहाँ हम देखते हैं कि कोई रस्सियों से बंधा हुआ है, तो कोई पिट रहा है, कोई रो रहा है, कोई धो रहा है। Finally, धनराज सेठ sticks a gun up Raj's ass. When you hear the Dolby Digital echo, ठहरो, 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 ये कौन है? लाजवंती, जो बताना चाह रही है कि 25 साल पहले क्या हुआ था। रामू काका एक कोने से चिल्लाते हैं, नहीं लाजवंती नहीं। लाजवंती दूसरे कोने से चिल्लाती है, नहीं, आज मुझे कहने दीजिए कि 25 साल पहले क्या हुआ था। उस रात रामू काका को मेरे पति धनराज ने रेप के इल्जाम में 14 साल की सजा दिलाई थी, लेकिन सच्चाई कुछ और ही थी। नहीं लाजवंती नहीं, शट अप एंड लेट मी टॉक। उस रात जब रामू और मेरे बीच फुल एक्शन चल रहा था, तब अचानक पता नहीं कहां से सडनली ये ब्लडी धनराज आ गया और उसने रामू को रेप के इल्जाम में सजा दिला दी। रामू ने मुझे ये बात छुपाने के लिए कसम दी थी, इसीलिए मैं मजबूर थी। लेकिन अब मैं चुप न बैठूंगी। मैं अब भी रामू से प्यार करती हूँ, हाँ करती हूँ। और हमारे प्यार की निशानी है हमारी बेटी पूजा।
full trolley charge on Raj and Pooja as they get the shock of their lives. उनके पैरों तले से जमीन निकल जाती है, आसमान फट जाता है when they realize that they are brother and sister. और राज और पूजा तो एक नहीं हो पाते, लेकिन हाँ, वो 25 साल पुरानी प्रेम कहानी का एक बार फिर से जन्म होता है।
बस कर पगले, रुलाएगा क्या? वाह, क्या सुपरहिट स्क्रिप्ट है, एकदम ओरिजिनल, एक्सीलेंट क्लाइमैक्स, एक्सीलेंट।
At that moment, I was convinced that this was the end.
Just brilliant, isn't it?
Aanchal and I couldn't go any further. Her father was of no use.
It's too lovely. Can you please tell me about the character of Pooja again?
अभी नहीं। सुपरहिट स्क्रिप्ट है भाई। गुड्डू! सबसे पहले इनकी स्क्रिप्ट रजिस्टर करवाओ, वरना कोई भी प्रोड्यूसर मार देगा। ओके सर, कुछ अच्छा टाइटल सोचा है?
सर, मैंने इस फिल्म के लिए एक सुपर हिट टाइटल भी सोच रखा है।
अरे वाह, बताओ भाई।
बताइए।
बताओ।
चुभन, द प्रिक।
चुभंदी
प्रिक।
वाह, क्या बात है, चुभंदी
प्रिक। The Brick. Excellent! Excellent!
Hello, please leave a message after the tone.
Ganesh, Kishan Tolani here. Where you have disappeared? तुम्हारी स्क्रिप्ट ही रजिस्टर करवा ली है भाई. Call me quick. Let's do some creative work. Call me.
I was ready to go to the extent of starting a family with Aanchal. Even risking the idea that someday my kids would look like their granddads. There's one important lesson I learned. There's no shortcut to success. Life moved on, and so did I.
Akshay, who's that woman, man?
Don't tell me you're talking about the one in the black dress.
Yeah, why?
Because you bastard. I've been eyeing the same woman for past 1 hour. Man, isn't she sexy? What the fuck? क्या कर रहा है?
जल्दी आ. Our hero has put out that party wali beauty, remember?
कौन गायत्री? What are you saying, man? She was mine. Fuck her.
यार विनय,
Come on, Vinay, खोल यार दरवाजा.
she's amazing.
What's wrong with you
When
guys?
she talks, you don't know whether to look at her or to listen to her. मेरा तो दिमाग ही काम नहीं कर रहा.
क्या बच्चों वाले करके खेलो तुम्हें बता
उसको दरवाजा खोल दे.
ठीक है, so you have to figure out what your next move should be. Why don't you ask her out for a movie?
Guys, grow up.
What movie?
How do I know what movie? यार, Debbie does Dallas or something. मुझे क्या पता है?
Wait, तुम लोग गायत्री के बारे में बात कर रहे हो?
जी हाँ.
मेरे पास एक प्लान है. एक काम करते हैं, हम लोग उसे डिनर के लिए लेके जाते हैं. We'll go in a group.
We'll go in a group. You pray. Only because तू बहती गायत्री में हाथ धोना चाहता है.
अबे साले सड़े हुए इडली सांभर. Have you ever in your life put out a single chick?
Oh fuck you, bloody chocolate boy face की छठी औलाद.
We don't need to do all this. You're blocking the camera. She's coming over to my place tomorrow evening.
What? She's coming here?
To watch some short films, yeah.
Hey, what about your parents?
Awesome,
We're going
dude.
to Pune for the weekend.
तो मैं भी एक बंदी ले आऊँ?
Shut up, चुप.
It's one of my favorite films. He's a very interesting character. I saw him on Carter Road, you know.
Very interesting. You know, I love the shot of the beggar seeing the coin and the full moon behind.
Yeah.
It's very symbolic.
Thanks a lot. Thanks.
Welcome.
Tell me your plan.
I don't know yet.
What do you mean you don't know? You have to have a plan. यार. You have to have a plan.
मैं बताता हूँ. The expert is here. 100% guaranteed foolproof plan. Guys, let's get her to drink.
What a plan idea.
What's that, brother?
What do women prefer to drink, by the way?
Vodka.
Rum.
Shut up, yaar. 99% of women prefer vodka. Take it from me.
So, do you drink?
Yeah.
Great. I mean, if there are some drinks, if
Oh.
I could get you some.
Yeah, okay. I wouldn't mind some rum.
I'm very sorry. Actually, there's only vodka.
Oh.
So,
Okay, we'll do.
okay. So,
That was quick. Cheers.
cheers. That was quick too.
The first time it was coffee. Now it's vodka. I wonder what you're gonna make me drink the next time.
Next time it's gonna be vodka again.
Won't it be easier if you just get the drinks here? So, tell me about yourself. Tell me more about your films. What else have you shot?
Loads of things. Currently, I'm shooting a film on a street dog.
A street dog? Interesting.
Thanks. I found that dog particularly interesting.
Yeah? Why?
He's a very smart dog. He's got his life completely organized. He knows that his food awaits him at the garbage dump. He knows where to take a leak. And most importantly, he knows where to find his bitch. I think he's got his life organized.
And when do I get to see that film?
For that, you have to come another time, huh?
Oh, I see. And in that case, what would you offer me to drink?
Rum, I swear. But for now, you have to make do with this vodka.
No problem.
Cheers.
You know, I've been meaning to ask you what aroma is this? It's lovely.
It's jasmine. You like it?
Yeah, I love it. It's so strange, you know. It's so strange the way men think when it comes to women. Some guys think that if they can get women drunk, they can get them to bed. No. I didn't mean you. I wasn't hinting at you. It was just an observation. As it is, I'm on your bed. Wow, I love this song.
And so in the winters of 2002, I found love. I found Gayatri.
Gaurav, your friend.
Gaurav, I can't do this. Gaurav, I'm sorry.
I almost fell.
No, I can't dance here.
Gayatri got a completely new perspective to my world. Suddenly, she was no longer a subject of my kink-filled world. But every now and then, when I did pick up my camera, my real world fell apart.
I feel like a projected image of your fantasy which you're constantly capturing on camera. Half the time, in fact, all the time, your camera is with you. It eats into our space. You never seem serious. It's all about your camera, your film, your subject, your characters. It's your world. It's all about you. I don't feel like a part of it. I feel so isolated. I don't even know when you're serious. I can never tell. I don't even know if you're serious about this relationship in the first place.
Basically, I don't understand women.
I don't feel loved. Can't you understand such a simple feeling?
I don't understand women.
Grow up, Gaurav, you pervert.
Aanchal was such a nag. She used to throw tantrums, but she wasn't so stressful.
I don't need you to commit to me. All I'm saying is that I wish you understand and care for me.
So stressful, so stressful.
But I guess I'm asking for too much.
I just don't understand women. I just don't.
So, somebody's in love. What's the big deal? I mean, where did you fuck up?
I don't know. Gayatri thinks that this is embarrassing. She thinks that I'm not man enough to handle her problems. You know, I spend maximum time, in fact, I spend all my time with her. But still, she thinks that when I'm with her, I'm not with her. Maybe mentally. She thinks that I don't care.
What do you really feel about her? Do you see a future with this girl?
I see a future. See, I think she's beautiful. I think she's gorgeous. I think I like her a lot, and I just can't let go of her.
Okay. So, what is it that you want to do now?
तो क्या फालतू में पिला रहा हूँ मैं तेरे को? Suggest something यार, say something, बताना कुछ. Give me an action call, huh?
Dramebaz. Why are you faking this? Come on, try and be real. Be natural.
Gayatri, I know I've been a fool. And I'm really sorry that I've upset you. I also know that I'm again using the medium that you don't particularly like. And I'm again very sorry. But I don't know any other way to do this. At the end of the day, I love you. In fact, not just at the end of the day, at the beginning of the day, during the day, at the end of the day, during the night. I really love you.
Listen, roll another one.
Okay.
DK has arranged an interview for you tomorrow morning at 10 o'clock, sharp. Don't be late, and might be a good idea for you to get some work experience under your belt before you go for your masters. Huh? I'll, as usual, I suppose your mother will pack your resume for you. God save you.
Forgive him, for he knows not what he does.
Hold on. Hi.
Hi.
May I help you?
Yeah, actually, I'm looking for...
The men's section is on the first floor.
No. Actually, I'm looking for some...
Women's undergarments.
You mean lingerie? What size? We have a 32, we have a 34, 36.
Actually, if you could show me some pieces, maybe we could take it from there.
I'm sorry, we don't work like that. You'll have to tell me the size.
Size. It's about that much.
That's 34.
Okay.
Rita, 34 Lana? You won't know the cup size, no? Obviously.
Cup?
34B, please.
I didn't know it was so complicated.
Cup? What the fuck is a cup?
Ma'am? Yeah, just a second. Thank you. Okay. This is a new range of bras we have. This is a cotton one.
Okay.
This is an underwired one.
Could you show me some more of these?
Underwired?
Yeah.
Okay. Rita 34B underwired.
I actually used to wear these underwear things.
Ma'am, just a second.
Relax,
Yeah,
relax.
thank you. This is a pink one in underwired.
Okay.
This is a black one in underwired. Okay.
Can you feel them? As in, take a closer look.
Sure.
Dude, I think you could do with an easier hook if you know what I mean.
You know what I mean? How about this?
How am I supposed to know? I don't wear this brand.
100%.
Is that a camera?
Well, as you can see, behind me over there is Mr. Gaurav Singh Gupta, who is about ready for his big moment. So, tell us, how does it feel? Really soft, I bet? As you can see, the moment is very tense and the feeling is very soft, and a timeless moment is about to occur which will serve as archival materials for generations to come. Well, let's just watch.
Yes?
Hi, sir. Could I speak with Gayatri?
Gayatri?
Sir.
Excuse me, gentlemen, my watch reads 12:30. By any chance, does your watch reads 9 a.m.?
Who is it?
See?
Gaurav?
Is he your friend?
Yeah.
Then tell him these are the hours when people are fast asleep.
What's wrong with you? Have you completely lost it? You know what time it is? It's 12:30.
I know it's late, but I had to do this.
Do what?
You're not even listening to me, Gayatri.
What's there to listen after what you did yesterday?
Why are you behaving like this?
Oh, I'm behaving like this. And what are you doing?
What did I do?
You have some cheek to say this. You know what? I have had enough of all this. This is not working out the way we thought. Certainly not the way I thought.
So fine, let's try and get it out of the way, na?
Get it out of the way. Okay, so that's what you want.
No!
Can we talk about this tomorrow?
No, I want to talk about it right now.
Okay, fine. That being the case, let's call it off.
Call it off? Is that what you want? Fine. Fuck it!
Gaurav, don't get hyper and let's be practical now.
Practical for what? And tell your father he can't talk to me like that! Cut this thing here. Fuck it! This was just the beginning of all the screw-ups. I was in a situation where each mess seemed bigger than the previous ones. Fortunate for me though, my camera saw it all.
Kumar Gaurav. Come, take a seat. Riya, this is Kumar Gaurav. He's just got admission for his master's degree at Princeton University. He's a bright young man. And before that, he's looking for some work experience in your bank. He's very bright, and I'm sure he's going to come out with top honors.
Yeah, sure.
And who knows, in 2 years' time, he might be working in the treasury of your bank.
Why not?
By the way, sorry. This is Riya Khanna, our manager, HR. And she holds the entire reins of our workforce. Including mine, huh?
So, Gaurav, you have fared pretty well in your 10th, got better in your 12th, but your graduation marks really dipped. Any particular reason for this inconsistency?
I could have fared better in the 10th standard, but the Cricket World Cup fell around the same time.
Huh?
And the 12th standard went smoothly, but by the time I reached college, I had lost interest in the course. I guess it was too theoretical for my liking.
The bottom line being you were still inconsistent.
Well, that may be the case, but it could have been the invigilation which was inconsistent.
That's true to some extent. You know, DK, when I was in college, you will not believe the amount of cheating that happened there. These boys, they used to keep chits, God knows where all. In fact, one of the boy had a textbook inside his pants, and on being caught, he refused to open it. And then you could see these planes flying from one end of the corner to the other, and everybody going to the toilets. Did you ever try cheating? What do you say? Or you were the sincere boys? Is there something very precious in that bag? You know, he can't take his hands off it. Actually, I had this bag that I carried when I was in college. I could never take my hands off it. It was so funny. I had this small little brush and a lipstick and a tiny kajal and a broken mirror. Oh my God, those days, I used to love them. How do you maintain your hair? Maybe you can give me some tips?
I use a comb.
Smart. And my dear, where do you see yourself 5 years down the line?
5 years? Heck, that's a long time. I don't know what I'd be doing after this interview. With all due respect, ma'am, where do you see yourself 5 years hence?
I see myself still working, yes, of course. Probably at a higher post. Hopefully making more money, and maybe then I can get the country club membership. Inshallah. What is your opinion about this year's budget?
I have none.
What do you have to say about tax implications on the salaried class?
I'm not sure.
What is bank rate?
I don't know. I'm not aware. I'm sorry. No. No idea.
So, why have you chosen Princeton?
Actually, I have not chosen Princeton. I have no plans of going to Princeton.
If it isn't Princeton, then have you applied to some other universities?
Actually, I don't intend on being part of the corporate world.
Then which world do you intend to be the part of?
The world of films. I want to be a filmmaker.
So you want to get into movies?
Sir.
Son of CFO of Global Network wants to join Bollywood. Then, Mr. Kumar Gaurav, may I ask you something? What the hell are you doing here?
I myself don't know what I'm doing here, sir. And Mr. DK Bose, I would really appreciate it if you stop calling me Kumar Gaurav. How would you like it if someone were to call you Mr. Bose DK instead of DK Bose? How are you, Mr. Bose DK? Good morning, Mr. Bose DK. Good day, Mr. Bose DK. Good night, Mr. Bose DK. Don't you see there's a difference between DK Bose and Bose DK? I think we've all made up our mind by now. I take your leave. Thank you, Miss Riya Khanna. Good day, Mr. DK Bose.
Good luck.
You are going absolutely crazy or what? What are you trying to prove?
What's wrong, Baba?
DK just called me earlier in the evening and said you behaved most obnoxiously at that interview. I mean, I just don't understand. I go out of my way to get an obligation from a dear friend, and you make an ass out of me.
Who asked you to do it, Baba? I want to be a filmmaker. I don't want to do this shit.
Oh my God.
Yes.
Oh yes?
Yes.
So whatever good I do for you is not good enough for you. I mean, I have no rights over you.
How do you know it's good for me, Baba? I will decide what's good for me, right?
Yes, of course.
Yeah.
Yes.
So if you love me, you'd let me do whatever I want, right?
Yes, of course I
That's
love
what
you.
every father does.
Of course I love you. I mean, your concern is my concern.
How?
But your life is useless.
How?
Yes. You have no discipline. You have no order. You just walk around half the time in a bloody daze. I do not understand. You're talking of rights. You are talking of rights to me.
I'm not.
If you want to be here, this is my place, right? I pay for it. I pay the bills every month. If you want to be here, you must earn the right to be here. Not be a wastrel, not be a parasite. You understand? You shut up. You are the one who's spoiling it all the time.
What do you mean by right,
please
Baba?
pack your bags. Give him some money, 10, 20, 30,000 rupees.
I don't
Let
need
him go
it.
to some silly job. You listen to me. I am the boss of this house. You take your bags, you give him some money, and out! Right now, out!
What are you saying, Arindam? He's your son.
That's okay. I know that.
Fine.
All my love turns out to be useless. He never acknowledges my love for him. I love him. He's my only son. I don't want to watch my only son go down the drain. Yeah, give him some money. Pack it. Leave right now. Right now, out!
Thanks, Baba. I don't need your money. You can keep it.
Gaurav,
Ji,
keep
Ma.
your mouth shut.
I'm sorry, Ma. Look at him.
He's your father.
So?
Good riddance to bad rubbish. Get me some tea. And don't put too much sugar.
बोनी कहाँ है तू? बाय गॉड तुझे ही कॉल करने वाला था। वर्ल्ड कप फाइनल में अंधे कलेक्शन हुए। बियर और बटर चिकन पेल रहा हूँ। आजा आजा। बोनी मुझे अर्जेंटली पैसों की जरूरत है यार। वो मेरे पैसे लौटा दे। अबे तो तू पहले बोलता ना। सारे पैसे बुकी के पास पड़े हुए। वो नेक्स्ट सीरीज के लिए डिपॉजिट देना पड़ता है ना। तो ले आना वापस। मुझे बहुत जरूरत है। ओए ढक्कन पे जो तेरे खोलना एक और बोतल। क्या टाइम का टंटा लगा रहेगा? हाँ बोल शिकारी। बोनी कब तक दे सकता है यार? देख देख मुझे पूरे तो नहीं। हाँ अगर तू 5-10 यार तू समझ नहीं रहा। जेब में अंधे छेद हो रखे हैं। मदर स्वेयर कुछ तो जुगाड़ निकाल प्लीज भाई। देख अभी बैटरी की गार्ड लग रही है। मैं कुछ फाइट मारता हूँ तुझे फोन करता हूँ पक्का शिकारी। बेंच तू।
I had always heard people talk about one such phase in their lives when nothing seemed to be working for them. My life had entered one such phase. That night was one of the loneliest nights of my life. I was very lonely. But in those moments of loneliness, I found a ray of hope in Rushad.
बहुत प्यार करता था मैं तुमसे, बहुत प्यार करता था, लेकिन इतना बड़ा विश्वासघात किया तुमने मेरे साथ। अरे इससे पहले तो मर जाता मैं, इससे पहले कि तुम्हें अपने यार के साथ आधी रात को प्यार करते हुए देखता। मर क्यों नहीं गया मैं, मर क्यों नहीं गया? देखा देखा तूने? This is the double look theory. This Stanislavski explains the double look theory, saying that the idea behind the double look is that you look twice and not once. अरे शाहरुख भी करता है यार. Why? Impact, dude, impact.
Amazing, यार.
देख यार, तेरी जो प्रॉब्लम है ना, हर घर की प्रॉब्लम है. मेरे पापा ने भी मुझे बोला था, बेटा इतना बड़ा बिजनेस है, कौन संभालेगा, तू संभाल ले. But I told him, I made it very clear to him that Dad, I want to act because it's my life. I can't do anything else. देखो, तू टेंशन मत ले. मैं जब तक नहीं आता ना, तू यहाँ मेरे घर में रह. I'll be back in a week after my shooting schedule. Till then you can look around. उसके बाद तुझे लाइफ में थोड़ा झोल करना पड़ेगा यार.
Thanks a lot, Rushad.
No problem यार, anytime. चल, I'll show you my house. The paper वाला and the चाय वाला they come every day in the morning. हाँ, और मैंने भाई को है ना 1 week की लीव दे दी है. So please see to it that the house doesn't get dirty, okay? गंदा मत करना. This is the fridge, which has no food, but lots of beer. अबे साले, don't finish them, okay? एक मिनट. एक मेन इंपॉर्टेंट चीज तो मैं बोलना भूल ही गया. ये देखना, जापानी है, डायरेक्टली इंपोर्टेड फ्रॉम जापान. Here the most important thing is कि don't take any of my phone calls because it's directly connected to the answering machine which is set on an alarm. So हर रात को 12:30 बजे ऑटोमेटिकली मेरे मैसेजेस बज जाते हैं.
Wow, automatic and all, है? सही है.
इंपोर्टेड है यार. अरे बाबा, आई एम गेटिंग रियली लेट. मैं चलता हूँ. You take care, you have a blast and have a great time.
I disobeyed Rushad's only request. I finished all the beers. That day seemed to be the longest day of my life. Astronomically, it was the longest day of the year. 21st June. June, the month of monsoon. But Bombay was still dry. I love shooting during the rains. I realized that when nothing seemed to be working in my favor, I started operating in extremes. I would have never finished the beers nor fiddled with Rushad's Japanese answering machine. But for once, I didn't care much for consequences. Between all this, I found a companion. Two lonely creatures, one inside the bowl and one outside. I decided to give him an identity. I named him Frisky.
अरे बीप की माँ की शिकारी 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 this is bloody the 7th time I'm calling you in past 1 hour यार बेंचोद हैं call me back यार हैं it's urgent सब try कर रहे हैं तेरे को
Gayatri.
Yeah?
Gaurav.
Hi, Gaurav. One sec. I can't hear you.
Huh.
Just hold on a sec, okay? Yeah, tell me. Hello?
Gayatri.
Yeah, tell me.
Where are you?
Gaurav, I can't hear you at all. I'll call you a little later, okay?
Yeah. Fine. अक्षय
Hi Gaurav.
कहाँ है बे?
Just out with friends. Tell me. Hey, just a second,
हाँ?
just a second. Hold on. हाँ Gaurav, tell me.
गायत्री तेरे साथ है क्या?
यार तेरी आवाज क्रैक कर रही है.
मादर के चादर। अरे बैठ 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 अभी एकदम हीरो वाफी गया। और क्या क्या बोलता है?
बस बढ़िया।
सब बढ़िया चल रहा है?
जी जी।
और कोई फिल्म बना रहा है नहीं बना रहा है अभी?
जी जी मंसूर भाई उसी के चक्कर में तो चाहिए ये आप काम हो गया?
हाँ हो गया 1 मिनट। ए जा ले क्या बैठ ना और बोल ये जो मैं तेरे को दे रहा है माल
हाँ
फुल केयरफुल रहने का। फुल केयरफुल एकदम फुल केयरफुल बोले तो फुल केयरफुल। अभी मैं तेरे को बताता हूँ ये डायरेक्ट बाहर से लेके आया मैं ये मैगजीन क्या बोले
मैगजीन हाँ।
ये बोले तो गोली खाने की नहीं डालने की। अपना भी धंधा बहुत चल रहा है आजकल फुल दे रहे हैं अपन इधर उधर ऐसा मैगजीन लोड करो फुल लोड करो सबके नाम का एक डालने का अंदर क्या ये डालने का अंदर ऐसा। अब सुनो
I had my share of a great life till some time back. I had lovely parents, special mention of a lovely father till some time back. I had an exquisite girlfriend till some time back. I had great friends till some time back. Till some time back when all you fucks decided to turn your back on me. They say that life is a great leveler. That for every good experience that comes your way, there's a bad experience lurking in the corner. Well, as far as I, Gaurav Sen Gupta, am concerned, I think I've completely depleted all the good experiences to come my way. So much so that all that's left to come my way is ugly. My father, Arindam Sen Gupta, wants to shove my life as per his conditions up my ass. My mother has a say, but she refuses to exercise it. My girlfriend, my ex-girlfriend, Gayatri, she thinks I'm not man enough for her. So, what does she do? She goes on a manhunt while she's dating me and finds her man of the millennium in my best friend, Akshay Suri. My friends turned their back on me when I turned to them for help. Such are the close people in my life, the close people I love, the close people who are supposed to be there for me. Close people, my ass! You guys have fucked me. You guys have broken my spine. I'm completely destroyed. You see this? You are making me do this. All of you. Do you know why I'm recording this? So that you can see what you've reduced me to. You fucked me. Mama. At that moment, something stopped me. I realized I had an unfinished dream. I had to make a film. So out of a zillion issues in this world, it seemed the only issue closest to my heart was me, myself. I decided to make a film on myself. I thought of all those situations that I had captured on my handycam. And soon, small pieces of my captured past fell in place like a game of Tetris. My script seemed to have potential. So what does one require to make a film? I planned to go fully prepared. Screenplay, storyboards, edit pattern, the works. After all, I was making a full-length feature. Of course, I had an advantage. I wouldn't have to write dialogues. Forget that, many scenes had already been shot, marking the first half of my film. What would follow would be uncertain. I could handle the camera and I could trust Vinay with the editing. I worked on all possible aspects of filmmaking. I got a chance to add a unique touch to my film. The making of the film was a part of it. चलो अब शूटिंग खेलते हैं. यहाँ पे I thought एक गाना हो जाए. So I decided to pay tribute to my hero, the one and only Guru Dutt.
ये दुनिया अगर मिल भी जाए तो क्या है, ये दुनिया अगर मिल भी जाए तो क्या है। हर एक जिस्म घायल, हर एक रूह प्यासी, निगाहों में उलझन, दिलों में उदासी, ये दुनिया है यार में बदहवासी, ये दुनिया अगर मिल भी जाए तो क्या है, ये दुनिया अगर मिल भी जाए तो क्या है।
This is the happy family. Huh? The man, the woman, and the boy. So this is the man she found. If I may ask, especially the women, what is so manly about this jerk? Huh? What is it? Maybe they are better off than we were. Maybe. Let's see. Us or them. Us or them. Where the hell have I been? Where the hell have you been? Wait, let me guess. You were in my girlfriend's bed.
What?
So how's my chicken bed?
Have you lost it, man? Are you stoned or what?
Yes, I am stoned, but you still haven't answered my question. How's my girlfriend in bed? Huh? She's a great kisser, isn't she? So did she give you a love bite? Let's check. Where's the love bite? Huh?
What's wrong with you?
You
Are you insane? What? Have you completely lost it or what?
fucking bastard. How could you do this? Sleeping behind your girlfriend's... You were sleeping with your best friend's girlfriend, you bastard. How could you do it, you swine? You backstabber.
Shut up!
Motherfucker.
You know, you're just good enough to fiddle around with your fucking camera. Just piss off, man. Just get the hell out of here.
Enjoy my girlfriend.
Fuck off. Fuck off.
Yes? Hello, Mr. Sareen. How are you? Did I disturb you? Was Papa sleeping? Oh God, check the time. What time is it? My watch reads 1:30. Does your watch read 8 a.m.? You seem wide awake.
Gaurav?
What nonsense! I'll get you thrown out! Watchman! Watchman!
Papa, please, let me handle this. Papa, please.
Papa, please, Papa, please, Papa, please, please.
Shut up, Gaurav.
Is he mad or what? And why is carrying this camera?
Papa, please, and handle this.
Why is carrying this camera?
You go inside, please. I'll handle this.
I'll get him thrown out.
Gaurav, what do you want? What is wrong with you?
Don't you remember what was ever right with me? I made you an object of my films. I was never there for you. I wasn't man enough. But of course, Akshay was man enough, wasn't he? You would know that, wouldn't you?
What did you say? Just say it again. Come again.
You want me to repeat myself? You want me to repeat myself? You tell me I'm not man enough to handle your problems while you screw behind my back with Akshay?
Watch your mouth, Gaurav.
Why did you have to do this?
Do what? What have I done?
Forget it. It doesn't even matter anymore.
Forget what? You are disgusting. I swear you're sick to speak to me like this. I don't even want to see you again. You repulse me.
Finally, we seem to be thinking alike. I don't want to see you. I've had enough of you people telling me how I should lead my life, how to be, how to behave. I don't care anymore, and I don't need you.
Who is it? Coming.
I'm sorry, Baba. Did I disturb you? You must have been fast asleep.
No. It's all right. Would you like to come in? Huh? How are you? What's all this?
What's all what? How do you expect me to be when you don't let me live my life? That I should seek your approval for anything and everything I do? And is that why you call me son? Look, Mr. Sengupta, I may be born to you, but you don't own me. I have a life too.
Gaurav.
How hard is it for you to understand that I too have dreams? Huh? Baba, what if I decide to run your life, deny you the right to breathe? That's what you do to me. You suffocate me. You believe in suffocating everybody around you. Look at Mum, Baba. Look at Ma. It seems she hasn't taken a breath in 25 years. When will you realize, Ma? When? And you? Will you ever realize, Baba? What's the point?
बड़े भाई कैसा है यार? वो तेरे अकोमोडेशन का अरेंज हो गया क्या? Actually, dude, I'm coming back tomorrow. सवेरे तक पहुंच जाऊंगा. And Kavita is also coming along with me. तो तू चाबी है ना बगल वाले दरबार के पास छोड़ देना. और हाँ, हो सके तो घर को जरा टिप टॉप कर देना यार. You know Kavita ना. Anyways, dude, take care. I'll see you soon. शिकारी, ओए शिकारी, एक लौंडी फंस गई है, फिरंगी है, कुछ फेंग शुई मसाज का कोर्स करने आई है, तो मैंने सोचा उसके गुण आजमा लूं. सुन, है शिकारी, एक रूम की जरूरत है बस 1 घंटे के लिए. घंटा है पर घर चाहिए. सुन, ओए कुछ कर यार, है? फोन कर मुझे जल्दी.
हेलो पोनी.
कौन शिकारी? ओए कैसा है? किसकी ले रहा है?
कुछ नहीं यार, ठीक हूँ. तू सुना?
As usual, तूने फोन नहीं उठाया और मेरे तो लौड़े लग गए. वो फिरंगी लौंडी किसी के साथ भूल हो गई यार. मेरे तो केल पीडी हो गया.
अच्छा पोनी. यार एक काम था तेरे से.
हाँ बोल ना.
यार तू हमेशा किसी कॉल गर्ल के बारे में बात करता था ना? कोई नंबर है तेरे पास?
क्या बात कर रहा है शिकारी? गर्मी लग गई?
नहीं यार, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। नंबर है तेरे पास?
सच्ची में दे दूं नंबर?
अभी देना।
तो लिख 9824000138। यहाँ तुझे अंधी वैरायटी मिलेगी, वर्जिन, हाउसवाइफ, चीनी, जापानी, सब कुछ। और एक कोई नई आइटम है जो मास्क पहनकर आती है और देते वक्त चाबुक से मार के तू उसी की ले ले।
पोनी यार, एक और काम था।
और नंबर चाहिए?
नहीं यार। अच्छा सुन, आज ऑस्ट्रेलिया और कीनिया के बीच वनडे है ना?
हाँ यार, वन साइडेड गेम है। विश्वास कर, आज गोरों पर 10 पैसे में एक पेटी ठोक रहा हूँ।
पागल हो गया? भूल के भी ऐसा मत करना। सुन यार। अच्छा, दिस शुड स्टे ओनली बिटवीन अस। मुझे इनसाइड इंफॉर्मेशन मिली है, आज जो मैच हो रहा है ना, फिक्स्ड है।
क्या बोल रहा है तू?
बता रहा हूँ, आज का मैच कीनिया जीतने वाला है।
क्या बकवास कर रहा है तू? मार्केट में ऐसी कोई खबर नहीं है, कोई तुझे चूतिया बना रहा है।
बात मान, इट्स कंफर्म्ड। माय अंकल इज ऑन द बोर्ड।
जैक लग जाती अभी। तू साले पहले क्यों नहीं बताता?
क्या?
अबे अंकल के बारे में। अब तो करोड़ों में खेलेंगे शिकारी। अभी तो मैं बुकी को फोन लगाता हूँ और कीनिया पर अपनी विरासत लगाता हूँ। अंधे पैसे मिलेंगे, सॉलिड भाव मिलेगा।
अच्छा पोनी यार सुन, तू मेरे कितने हैं तेरे पास? 30 है ना? तो यार वो 30 भी कीनिया पे लगा दे।
लगा दूं?
यार तू ही तो कहता था तेरा कोई वो ब्रोकर फ्रेंड है जिसके पास तेरा अकाउंट चलता है, तो लगा देना वहाँ पे।
तू फुल श्योर है ना? नहीं तो बर्बादी हो जाएगी।
क्यों? हाँ यार, फुल श्योर हूँ।
इन्फॉर्मेशन कंफर्म्ड है ना?
कंफर्म्ड है।
अच्छा, तेरा भी लगा देता हूँ।
डन।
चल
सही।
अब तो बुकी को फोन करता हूँ। भाइयों, ए चूतियों, सुनो, इन्फॉर्मेशन मिली।
The motive was very clear. If I couldn't have my money back, I wouldn't let him have it too. Scores settled.
Hi.
Hi. You are?
Rose, you would call.
Please come. I hope you didn't have trouble finding this place.
No, I've been here before.
Here?
I mean, the building next to it. You like it dark?
Sorry. Great. So, can I get you something to drink? There's beer, there's water, there's rum.
Is this your first time?
Actually, yes.
I could tell. Usually people don't spend time getting comfortable with me. Okay, let me make a few things very clear. You have an hour. You know my fee. I'd appreciate it if you place it on the table over there. And you have one shot. No oral, no rear, and definitely no S&M.
Can we talk for a while?
What?
I mean, you said I had an hour, right? So I can pretty much use it any way I want.
Okay. Fine. What do you want to talk about?
Anything. It's up to you.
You're losing out on time, young man. Every minute is very precious.
Shall I light it for you?
Oh, thank you.
Actually, I like it this way. At least for a while.
Okay. So what do we talk about? What do I do? What do you do?
You can ask.
Okay. So what do you do?
Gaurav. I make films.
Films? You must be kidding.
No?
You're not the filmy type.
Well, I did try my hand at Bollywood script, but failed miserably.
So is this the casting couch?
No. Well, actually, kind of.
Cool. So it must be so easy making these goddamn movies.
Why'd you say that?
You know, whenever in doubt, just jump into a song and hundreds of people come running from everywhere in color-coordinated clothes. Pots and balloons in the background. You know, I just saw this film, Tamil I think it was, or Telugu, I don't know. And there were these milk cartons. And would you believe that they were all leaking and the milk was pouring down on the heroine? It's so weird.
Yeah, but wasn't it imaginative at least?
Imaginative. For you, maybe.
So, what else do you do?
You mean besides being a hooker? I sleep. I sleep during the day and I sleep around at night. I guess that means I sleep all day.
The night seemed endless. We ended up talking about almost everything under the sun. From films to fashion, Vada Pav at Churchgate Station to politics.
Go on building it as high as you can.
And of course,
And together?
her strange encounters with strange men.
You know, I've never spent a night like this before. My profession is all about sex. There's hardly any pleasure. Well, at least not for me. But tonight, there's hardly been any sex. In fact, no sex. Something wrong with me? It's been so wonderful. Thank you.
Thank you.
What are you looking at?
I got something for you.
What is it?
Why don't you see it for yourself?
Lingerie. You want me to wear it for you?
You look gorgeous. I need to tell you something though. All this while, my camera was on.
Camera.
That's correct.
What kind of camera? Where? Where are the camera?
Right behind you. Over there.
By the way, my name is Nisha.
In the past few days, I've come to realize a few things. A few things about life. I've come to realize that life is not what it seems it is. There's one underlying truth, that everyone on the face of this earth is born with a set of plans, but very few manage to achieve them. I am one of those few lucky ones. My plans also got me to an understanding that there are certain things about life that one just cannot change. My parents, for example, they were given, I didn't have a choice. Within a given circle, I was most likely to meet a given set of people, and in that I met my friends. A girlfriend with whom I was in love with. In fact, I still am. Love you, Gayatri. I guess she had other plans, you see. I guess they all had other plans. Here I am. I started a film and I am at the most crucial point. The end. So how do I end my film? Since I am the creator of the film, and since this film is about me, I being the film, how do I end this film? Huh? I love you all.
Hello, Gaurav? Gaurav? Are you there? Gaurav, if you're there, please pick up the phone. Why is it that I always have to explain myself to you all the time? Wasn't trust a part of the deal? I've always trusted you, yeah? I've always trusted you with all my heart. The first time we met, you conned me. First time we kissed, you told me later that you had your camera on. You still have to show me that tape, by the way, huh? I spoke to auntie. She said that तुम वहाँ दंगे करके आ गए. अक्षय को भी तुम थप्पड़ वप्पड़ मार के आ गए. ये कैसी चीजें कर रहे हो गौरव, हाँ? Anyway, I'm coming there. I'm reaching there soon. I should be there in. Guess what? इस रिक्शा के पीछे ना गौरव लिखा है. Cool ना? चल see you soon. I love you.
हेलो शिकारी. शिकारी कहाँ से इंफॉर्मेशन निकाला शिकारी? कहाँ से इंफॉर्मेशन निकाला? साले Kenya has won the match. Kenya has beaten Australia. और हमारे 30,000 के 3,25,000 हो गए. तो सुन रहा है ना? Only dance bar and Thai restaurant. अब तो क्या क्या नहीं खुलेगा. तो सुन रहा है ना? अबे फोन कर शिकारी, फोन कर जल्दी.
Hi, Gaurav. Baba here. You know, I suddenly, I discovered this wonderful, you had made something, like when you were in the 5th standard or something, about this, something with sticks and paper and cotton and colors, and it was, Baba, this is you. I suppose, you know, there is a creative calling in your life. That is your destiny. I'm all for it. I always have been your best friend. Why don't you call in the morning and decide with your mother your favorite restaurant? No? Lunch, dinner, both are okay with me. And happy birthday in advance. Call, huh?